Think of Kaana and Inna as two enemy family gang leaders. Kaana is the leader of a gang that has 12 other members. أصبح, أضحى, أمسى, ظل, بات, صار, ليس, ما برح, ما انفك, ما زال, ما فتئ, ما دام. All 13 members of the gang are sisters. Inna is the leader of the other family gang that has 5 other members. أن, لكن, كأن, ليت, لعل. Both families fight over how to control the nominal sentence once they join it. Kaana and its sisters join the nominal sentence and do the following. They force the first noun to take dhamma and the second noun to take fatha. No, it's not complicated. Let's see some examples to make it clear. الطقس جميل. This is a regular nominal sentence with a subject مبتدأ and a predicate خبر. When the Kaana gang joins, the sentence changes to كان الطقس جميلا. What happened? الطقس stayed the same, but جميل changed to جميلا. Why? Because Kaana and its sisters have this kind of effect on nouns. الطقس is now called اسم كان and جميلا is خبر كان. اسم كان always takes a dhamma at the end and خبر كان always takes a fatha at the end. And of course, not just Kaana but its sisters as well. Let's see some examples. أصبح الطقس جميلا. ليس الطقس جميلا. We will talk about the meaning of Kaana and each of its sisters later on. For now, let's just focus on their grammatical effect. What about Inna and its sisters? As mentioned, the Kaana and Inna families fight over how to control the nominal sentence once they join it. Kaana and its sisters join the nominal sentence and force the first noun to take dhamma and the second noun to take fatha. As for Inna and its sisters, they join the nominal sentence and force the first noun to take fatha and the second noun to take dhamma. Exactly the opposite of what Kaana and its sisters do. Let's see an example. We'll keep the same sentence. الطقس جميل. When the Inna gang joins, the sentence changes to إن الطقس جميل. What happened? الطقس changed to الطقس and جميل stayed the same. الطقس is now called اسم إن and جميل is خبر إن. اسم إن always takes a fatha at the end and خبر إن always takes a dhamma at the end. The same thing happens when any of its sisters joins a nominal sentence. لكن الطقس جميل. ليت الطقس جميل. Alright, we've learned that Kaana has 12 sisters and Inna has 5 sisters. Kaana and its sisters make the original first noun take dhamma and the original second noun take fatha. Inna and its 5 sisters do the opposite. Now let's learn the meanings of each sister. Let's start with Kaana and its sisters. Kaana describes its nouns in the past and is usually translated as the verb to be. الطقس جميل. The weather is nice. كان الطقس جميلا. The weather was nice. الولد غاضب. The boy is angry. كان الولد غاضبا. The boy was angry. أصبح is used to describe the subject in the morning, right after Fajr, and its use implies a change in the state of the subject. أصبح الطقس جميلا. The weather became nice. أضحى is used to describe the subject in the morning. أضحى الطقس جميلا. The weather was nice in the forenoon. أمسى is used to describe the state of the subject in the evening. أمسى الطقس جميلا. The weather became nice in the evening. ظل is used to describe the subject during the daytime, and using ظل means the subject remains in a certain state. For example, ظل الطقس جميلا. The sentence means the weather remained nice. Bata. Bata is used to express the same thing, but at night. For example, بات الطقس جميلا. Here, the use of bata implies that the weather remained nice at night. Sara is used to express a change from one state to another. For example, صار الطقس جميلا. What does the use of Sara in the sentence imply? It implies that the weather was not nice and then it became nice. Laysa. Laysa is used to negate a nominal sentence. For example, ليس الطقس جميلا. The weather is not nice. ما برح, من فك, ما زال, and ما فتئ are all used to express that the subject continues to be in a certain state. For example, ما زال الطقس جميلا. ما برح الطقس جميلا. The weather is still nice. Lastly, ما دام expresses the meaning of as long as. اخرج ما دام الطقس جميلا. Go out as long as the weather is nice. Now that we have learned the meanings of Kaana and its sisters, let's cover the meanings of Inna and its sisters. Inna and Anna share the same meaning, which is strong confirmation and certainty. The difference between them is that Inna can be used at the beginning of a sentence, whereas Anna cannot. Instead, Anna is used in the middle of a sentence. For example, إن الطقس جميل. Indeed, the weather is nice. علمت أن الطقس جميل. I knew that the weather is nice. لكن simply means but. For example, لكن الطقس جميل. But the weather is nice. كأن is used to make a simile. كأن الطقس جميل. As if the weather is nice. Later is used for wishes, usually ones that cannot come true. For example, ليت الطقس جميل. I wish the weather were nice. لعل expresses the meaning of maybe or hopefully. لعل الطقس جميل. Maybe the weather is nice. The last part of this lesson is the tenses of Kaana and its sisters. Kaana and its sisters have different tenses. Laysa and dama can only be conjugated in the past, al-madi. Zala, fati'a, bariha, and infakka can be conjugated in the past, al-madi, and the present, al-mudari'. Zala, yazalu. Fati'a, yafta'u. Bariha, yabrahu. Infakka, ينفك. كان أصبح أضحى أمسى ظل بات and صار can be conjugated in the past الماضي, the present المضارع and the imperative الأمر. كان يكون كن. أصبح يصبح أصبح. أضحى يضحي أضحي. أمسى يمسي أمسي. ظل يظل اظلل. بات يبيت بت. صار يصير صر.